Lucija, gremo plavat v reko.
Se ti ne zdi malo premrzla?
No ja, kaj pa če bi se raje ogledale novo mladinsko oddajo?
Ja, dobra ideja.
Ne skrbi, bodi srečen. Ivijas balonček je tudi zate.
There is too much wind. Happy. I should learn to stop to give my key away to everybody. I should stop giving my room away for foreigners, strangers. I should start asking for cooking and cleaning.
Bit dark skin, look at the face. I'm traveling like them, so maybe I'm a gypsy.
I'm Syrian. I live in Italy. And now I'm in Slovenia. Now my EVS project in Krško is to deal with kids, with children. So working as like a Montessori teacher in kindergarten, 3 days per week. Actually, I started also an English course for kids.
Our festival, which is called Bungard, first open-air festival in Slovenia, alternative and underground. I work a lot, but it's not too much and I love it. So I consider people say they work too much when they work something they don't like. In my EVS I work 6, 8, 10 hours per day, but I love it. Every day I'm continuously learning, you know. And for example, I love to cook, you know. And I never cooked for a festival like I'm doing now. So yeah, this is a learning process for me.
How many vegans do you think there are in Metlika?
With me? 5. Probably 5.
How many sandwiches you did you say yesterday?
5.
So the project of the office is to develop this system of this rewarding system. So to have this platform online where the young people they will turn 15 and they will get a youth card. And with this youth card they could do things. They go online, they register, and they can take part in workshops, in seminars, in many things. It's like knowledge, like something you cannot buy easily, like experience or something.
Going to Metlika?
We go to Metlika.
So
yeah.
It's better to leave you than a place to hitchhike?
Yeah. So for 6 years I was already hitchhiking and I always travel. I was working and I quit my job. I told my manager I don't need this job anymore. I want to travel around the world. I'm making coffee.
I miss my family, of course. I miss the sea because I live by the seaside, and every time I want to look at the sea, I just take my car and drive 5 minutes and I'm on the beach, you know. I really don't miss to wake up every morning and watch the newspaper or TV and see everything bad that happened in France, and this is too depressing. I don't miss that at all. I'm really happier without television. I don't know what's going on in the world. I choose what I want to know. I go online, and if I want to read something, I read it.
I'm happy to have this period on my own, away from anybody. I started to think that some decisions I have to make in my life.
It's good because I needed a break from being a student and having just a normal student life. It was a bit boring for me, and now I have to wake up every morning early and go to work, and I work 40 hours per week, and it's what I needed, I think. And I do something productive in my life.
It's necessary because you get a person from a different culture, they have a different lifestyle, different background, so it's something new, something fresh.
How did you meet Bogdan?
I must say I don't like him at all. No. He's great, he's an awesome guy, he's got a very good spirit, and I think he will do a good job here in Metlika.
My colleague Francesco, he's from some country, I think Hungary, yeah. Hungary has this flag, yeah? I'm sure, yeah. I don't know. The name Francesco is a bit Hungarian.
You want to live here?
Yeah, I would like to. Yeah, to have a regular life, I think Ljubljana is the perfect kind of city to have a normal life, you know, like a job, a bike, a family, and it's really, really sweet. Nous on est, alors, le plus simple, vous allez venir où?
Je pense qu'on va venir de par là.
Bah non, on va aller à la performance.
Depuis la performance.
Ouais, la performance elle est là.
There. Those hills are Croatia. When I tell my friends that I'm here, they're like, are you in a village? But it's not a village and it's very, very active. There are a lot of workshops and things happening here. We get food and accommodation paid by them and also pocket money. We get 85 euros per month, which is, yeah, but it's just money to spend on something else, like traveling or having fun, because
85 euros per month.
Yeah.
We're going to the cheapest marketplace, so we can.
What is it?
I don't know. I'm going from one marketplace to another to see what's the cheapest and buy something.
I think Helfer.
We need to spend at least a little cent is important in this place. Yeah, now European Commission should give us more money to spend because they in Belgium they have a good life. Now we raise this because I like very, very much the EVS project. I don't want to get kicked out. No,
Okay.
Later on we do
We've been in this contradiction, so don't worry.
A new
about
reportage, okay?
Okay, no worry.
We are poor, we are EVS, blah blah. You can save money or you can do whatever.
J'ai surtout peur en fait de l'après. Qu'est-ce que je vais faire? Est-ce que cette année m'aura apporté quelque chose? Bon, j'espère que ça aura beaucoup changé ma vie.
I don't want to lose this energy and this being naive like a kid. You know, like small children they are excited about everything. I don't want to lose this, and I feel like if I will work in the system, I will lose this.
Cioè, ma hai capito cosa è successo? E lui mi chiama perché lui ha sentito che c'è qualcosa che non va. Noi siamo a marzo, cioè ne manca ancora aprile, maggio, giugno, 3 mesi dell'EVS. Quindi sono 3 mesi di libertà. Dopo, cioè, torno a questa vita del cazzo. Con tutto lo stress, lavoro, affitto, bolletti, tutto questo sti cazzi. Poi dico, my dreams.
Yeah.
On my dreams.
You are so complicated.
These dreams of AVS, actually you can hear them only after 7 o'clock in the evening.
And after 7 bottles of wine.
Yeah. This is the best thing of AVS, when they forget that they are working.
Dimanche matin, et on boit un thé en terrasse. On se remet de notre week-end de folie.
This weekend in this apartment, we will have, I counted 15 people, funny people, because and EVS people want to party.
Maybe I'm taking too much seriously EVS because I met other people, they had this chance and the idea was like just having fun. Okay, I'm having fun, I met a lot of new people, I have new friends. I don't think that EVS is only for having fun. If you think about it like seriously, you will discover a lot of things. I think we have to clean everything after because it's such a mess.
I can have fun even without alcohol, so...
Yeah.
Yes. Pâté.
Yeah, pasta, no? You have to make the dough.
Maybe.
It's very difficult, the language barrier actually.
I speak alone, what? I speak like a crazy guy. Okay, and now I'm just telling to the TV. We're open-minded and we want to be different and to do something new and helpful. So we are like this, and of course we are kind. It's not impossible, but it's a bit difficult to find an EVS volunteer who is shitty.
No, it's the same. It's just the same. You go shit and you fuck yourself. It's like a puddle where everyone feels protected. If you have to do something for like tomorrow, trying your best to create your projects where maybe in your country you don't have a chance to do that.
I didn't know about EVS until last year, and I didn't know exactly what is it about. And now, I cannot wait to tell everyone about this. And the coffee is ready. Thank you, let me drink between the boobs.
Stefano, check the sound, Stefano.
Hello?
Sound is perfect. Sound is perfect.
My voice is beautiful, my voice is beautiful.
Of course.
Kako izgleda feministična in kvirovska umetniška scena na Balkanu in širše? Festival Rdeče zore predstavlja.
Festival Rdeče zore je pomemben zato, ker ponuja nek alternativni pogled na življenje in na svet, ki je dragocen prav zaradi marginalizirane izkušnje, iz katere izhaja. Je del ostalih osvobajajočih gibanj, kot so recimo gibanja za delavske pravice, za mir, za naravo. Ustvarja nek varen prostor, kamor se lahko umaknemo in kjer se v nekaterih stvarih lahko pogovarjamo brez nerazumevanja, posmeha ali celo nasilja.
Jaz sem Saj CMC, ovo je Tijana. Jaz sam Tijana, Saj CMC. Ta neka moja poezija stvarno na prvu crtu, mislim stvarno je feministička je samim tim što ja govorim onako intimno i ženskog ugla o seksualnosti i o tim nekim stvarima, samim tim je ona feministička. Tako da ta moja kritika društva, što ja smatram da imam pravo da ga kritikujem zato što sam ja deo tog društva i takođe kao deo društva sam i deo problema. Ja ne dajem u pesmama neko rešenje, ja otvaram mnoga pitanja, ali ne namećem odgovor.
Mišići mi otkazuju, ne osjećam svoj pokret, okret ka onom iza mene. Naginem se ka onom što stoji ispred mene. Slušaj koliko je dobra ova pesma, želim da ceo univerzum shvati koliko sam teška, samo samo daj to. Nestaje nam vazduha, ne osjećamo bol, samo to, samo daj to. Nestaje nam vazduha, ne osjećamo bol. Ani Jana, ani Pavla, ani Jana, ani Pavla, ani Jana, ani Pavla, bardziej drugiego, onego.
Strada Pałki was some kind of an answer to what actually happens during the punk gigs, which are very black and very male dominated, very serious also, and only one kind of music like punk rock or hardcore playing there, so we wanted to bring some color to the stage and some actually freshness and funniness, but at the same time to have some message with it. So we tried to incorporate in this kind of music, in this Euro trash kind of music, a political message of anarchy and veganism and pretty much DIY and anti-consumptionism stuff.
Oh baby, it's so fine, you blow my mind, go vegan, go vegan. Oh baby, it's so fine, you blow my mind, go vegan.
Anarchy is about freedom and equality, and there cannot be any freedom or equality without feminism.
Pa za sada onako stvarno preovlađuju muškarci, ima dosta kao repera, ima malo žena, ima svega nekoliko žena, ali koliko ja vidim u poslednje vreme situacija je počela da se menja, sve više i više se pojavljuje ženskih MC-eva, što je fantastična stvar, zato što je potrebno da se čuje i njihov glas, što definitivno možemo svi generalno da naučimo nešto iz ženskog ugla, zato što je muški već postao jako dosadan, svi ga dobro znamo, a svakako će scena biti bogatija ako što više različitih individua radi.
This one is a Polish special one because of the power the Catholic Church has over people over there.
It's a part of the struggle.
Nie modlę się do Bosi i nic mi za to nie grozi. Nie modlę się do Pana, nie padam na kolana. Can you understand it?
Lek dom Sasa je prejšnji mesec izgubljal v gozdu.
Are you sure it's this side, is not this other?
Yes.
Sure. Okay.
I go around here to see. Okay. Run for
Don't be
it.
lost,
Run.
huh?
We will wait only 2 minutes.
Letošnji pot 14 se je organiziral na dan 13.4. Na katerem se je udeležilo 32 ekip, vse skupaj cirka 120 tekmovalcev iz celotne Slovenije in nekaj pripadnikov iz tujine. Tekmovanje se izvaja na področju vasi Veliki Podlog.
And actually, apart from the bridge, it was just the...
Yes, point 8 was the problem.
Yeah. But
This is the crash point and the team. Cross the bridge or don't cross the bridge.
Preveč pravokotno na 7. točko, veš tam.
Tebe zdaj muči ta potok, ki ga ni, vem.
But we decided not to go to the bridge anymore.
And we use coins. The coins wrong. Damn.
Glede organizacije pa poteka tako, da promocija samega eventa se začne že dober mesec prej.
Like this and then jump.
Ja, okay, se pravi, organizirali smo tekmovanje za več starostnih skupin, za 5 starostnih skupin, tako da je vsaka skupina najde svojo težavnost. Ja, jaz mislim, da zmagovalci tega letošnjega pota so vsi, ki so šli na progo, pa ki so se fajn imeli.
And I wanted to be fast, so I was like this, you know, and I fell with the head down on the river.
To, mislim, da to je poanta našega tekmovanja in ni toliko važno to, kdo zmaga. Zmagajo vsi, ki so se odločili za to, da se prišli na naš pot.
This is the map. We passed all the points successfully.
We win, I think.
In zdaj glasbena pauza. Lola. Nova EVS prostovoljka pri Luxus produkciji predstavlja svoj prvi vtis o svoji novi ekipi.
Je m'appelle Marion, je suis française et je suis restée un peu ici après mon volontariat et je suis là de temps en temps pour aider sur les projets de Luxus.
My name is Tom. I'm here coordinator, also producer in Luxus Production.
You want to know about my tattoo, new tattoo. This is my new pod piece, my new signature, and I was a bit desperate. I asked him, okay, please give me something on my finger so in the future I can't find a normal job.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Camille. Ma première impression quand je suis arrivée à Krško, c'était le brouillard et la fumée des usines.
Zdravo, sam Tomaž iz Sjonca in v Lux produkciji sem že od leta 2002. Delam veliko različnih stvari na področju filma in videa.
Меня зовут Саша Игнатович, я волонтерка у ДЗМП «Луксус Продукция». Когда я первый раз приехала в Кршко, это был короткий визит моих собров, и тому я на самой справе памятую с большего только приемную атмосферу дома моих собров.
My name is Eva, I'm from Coruña and I'm 40 years living in Krško. And 1 year, the first year I was as a volunteer and the 3 next years I'm like working with them, helping them, especially in the video technical part.
Jaz sem Jenny in sem iz Luxus Produkcije in s puncami, prostovoljkami imam slovenščino.
Hello, my name is Kata. I'm from Belarus and I'm PDS here in Krško in Luxus Produkcija.
Je suis Flore, ça fait 7 mois que je suis arrivée à 2ME. Donc du coup, quand je suis arrivée, il pleuvait, donc c'était horrible. Je me suis dit c'est moche cette ville pendant 2 jours et je suis allée me promener. J'ai trouvé que c'était pas forcément plein de verdure ou quoi que ce soit, mais bon, du coup je me suis adaptée. Et après, du coup, à propos de mon tatou, je sais pas, c'est 2 filles, 2 poissons qui s'emboîtent, qui se combinent l'un avec l'autre.
Laura, you are welcome because you are right now. You are here in spring. You can enjoy the weather. I think it will be better from now to summer. And we can have fun. We can learn a lot of stuff. You can enjoy the company because the ZMP crew is really nice.
Delaj tatuje, ne vojne.
But shall I go there now?
Are you ready?
Yes, yes.
So,
but I don't
die on the bed. My bed is beautiful, no?
Watch from the machine, yes.
And where? Here?
Here, yes.
D'accord?
Yes. D'accord.
But why you found this cream?
What?
My room today is tattoo studio, no? So
So now it has to have a smell.
it's the best.
Can I get another toilet paper? Because I'm run out of it.
I should charge my camera.
It's beautiful, this music. Is you that petite Alessio? What? Do you put this music?
It's beautiful, this music, huh?
Da.
You put this music.
No, you? No?
No, this guy, Bad Ritual, no?
It's beautiful.
This is the project.
A lot of grocery and stuff there, but still you can buy, the main stuff.
There is another Mercato.
But Mercato is the most expensive shop here, so that's why we're trying.
Hello.
No. That's why we're trying to keep, something you can buy there, something you can buy there, but Mercato is really good. But the best is there that you can go to.
Adijo! Se vidimo pri bazenu.
Tam je topleje.